Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, anti-lock braking system, power brakes, braking assist, driver's side remote mirror, interval wipers. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, backup camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, iHeartRadio, steering wheel audio controls.